Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change your language in Windows 10. So let's get started. Go to Start, Settings, go to Time and Language. Go to Language, and if you don't have here a language, click on Add a Language. Let's say for example I want Italian, for example. Choose this, go Next, and choose this set as my Windows display language. Click on Install, and we're gonna wait to download it until it's downloaded. After the language has been downloaded, you click Yes, sign out now, but I'm gonna click this one because I'm recording right now. So if that message doesn't pop up, you have to go here on Windows display language and choose whichever you want. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like if I helped you. Thank you for watching. Bye.